This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a ghost hunter game. First, let's get set up. You'll want to gather your essential equipment like a flashlight, a camera, and perhaps an EMF reader. Next, select a location that feels right for a paranormal investigation, ensuring it's safe and accessible. Finally, agree on some basic rules with your team, including how to communicate and what to do if someone gets scared. This preparation ensures a fun and organized experience for everyone involved. Now, let's dive into the investigation phase. Once you're in your chosen location, begin using your tools. An EMF reader can detect electromagnetic field fluctuations, while a spirit box might pick up electronic voice phenomena. Remember to document everything you experience, whether it's a strange sound, a cold spot, or a visual anomaly. Always communicate respectfully with any potential entities, asking questions clearly and patiently. This approach helps you gather meaningful data. After your active investigation, it's time to analyze your evidence. Go through all your audio and video recordings with a critical eye and ear, looking for anything out of the ordinary. Compare your findings with common paranormal phenomena to see if there are any matches or patterns. It's also incredibly valuable to discuss all your observations and experiences with your team. Sharing perspectives can help confirm or clarify what you found, leading to more robust conclusions about your hunt. To conclude your ghost hunt, take some time to summarize all your findings and draw any conclusions you can from the evidence. Did you find anything compelling, or was it a quiet night? Next, ensure you secure the location, leaving it as you found it, and carefully pack up all your equipment. Finally, consider sharing your experience with friends or online communities. Discussing your adventure can be a great way to reflect and learn, and it adds to the fun of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.